experienced fruit farmer gives tips on choosing delicious, sweet oranges. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Orange season has arrived, the time when fresh and delicious oranges are flooding the market stalls and supermarkets. From sweet oranges, blood oranges, seedless oranges to stone oranges, each type has its own distinct flavor and characteristics. So which type of orange do you like the most? Oranges are not only delicious, but also nutritious and contain a lot of water, which is very good for your health. However, among countless choices, how to choose fresh, juicy oranges. Fruits with thin skin and thick flesh are often a sign of delicious oranges. If you accidentally choose a sour orange, then maybe you are just testing your luck. In today's video, I will reveal to you extremely simple but effective tips for choosing oranges, helping you buy oranges that are both fresh and sweet, delicious to eat. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Look at the navel of the orange. Many people know that when choosing an orange, they need to observe the navel, but they do not know whether to choose a large or small navel and are often confused. Experienced farmers often divide oranges into two types, male oranges and female oranges. Male oranges have small navels that are not split, also known as navel-hugging oranges. Female oranges have navels that are split or almost navel-free. Many people think that female oranges, no navel, will be sweeter than male oranges, but in fact, the opposite is true. When cutting a female orange at the navel position, there will be a white membrane surrounding part of the orange segment. This is actually a secondary fruit inside the main fruit. As it develops, it will absorb nutrients from the entire orange, reducing the amount of sugar and nutrients. Therefore, the flavor of the orange is also less delicious. Therefore, when choosing an orange, choose the type with a small navel, both delicious and worth the money. Method 2. Look at the shape of the fruit. Choose whole, undeformed fruits. In terms of shape, oranges can be divided into two main types. One is round, the other is oval. An old man who used to grow fruit said a very good saying, tall oranges, flat oranges, bald oranges. This means that when buying oranges, choose the oval type. These fruits usually have thin skin, sweet and juicy flesh. Round oranges usually have thicker skin. The flesh inside is quite dry, sour, and has little water. Therefore, when choosing oranges, you just need to look for oval-shaped fruits. Method 3. Look at the stem of the orange. The stem is an important criterion to determine whether the orange is fresh or not. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. If the stem is dry, sunken, or falls off, it is a sign that the orange has lost water. The flesh inside will be dry. An orange with a green stem, leaves, and a slightly moist stem is an orange that has been picked within 2 days. The flesh is soft, fresh, and sweet. So when buying oranges, pay attention to the stem. Method 4. This color oranges are a type of tree that grows well thanks to fertile soil and suitable environmental conditions. If exposed to enough sunlight and a large temperature difference between day and night, oranges will secrete more sugar and be sweeter. Orange trees also face north and south, so fruits grown in different locations will receive different amounts of light. Colors will also be different. Fruits that are not exposed to enough sunlight will have a pale color or uneven color and will not taste good. The part that is exposed to sunlight will have a darker orange color and taste sweeter. Therefore, the fourth point is to choose oranges that are deep yellow and have a uniform color. Method 5. Check by hand. With any fruit, heavier fruits contain more water, and oranges are no exception. Oranges with more water will contain more vitamin C and sugar. Eating oranges like this will help supplement vitamin C. In addition, you can also try pressing lightly on the surface of the orange. A good orange will have elasticity, thin skin, and a lot of flesh. If the fruit is too hard, do not buy it. Because the skin is very thick, the taste will be more sour. If the fruit is too soft, it means it is no longer fresh, losing a lot of water and nutrients. In short, when buying oranges, remember to choose fruits that are oval, have a small navel, are dark in color, have fresh stems, are heavy and elastic when pressed. Such oranges will be very fresh, have thin skin, lots of flesh, and are sweet. Tip 1. I will show you how to peel an orange simply and beautifully, guaranteed to make you want to try it. Take a fresh orange. Cut off the small top, the stem part. Cut the orange in half horizontally, that is. Cut perpendicular to the length of the fruit to see the round orange segments. Take half of the orange, use a small sharp knife or spoon to gently separate the orange flesh from the peel. Keep the shape of the orange peel intact. Do not tear it, because this will be the base for the flour. Place the orange peel on a plate like a small bowl. This is the base for creating the flower shape. Cut the separated orange flesh in half. Then, cut it into thin, half-moon-shaped slices. These thin slices are the petals. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Take the orange top that was cut off at the beginning and place it in the middle of the orange peel. Arrange the thin orange slices inside the orange peel, from the outside in. Arrange each layer in a petal shape, overlapping lightly to create a natural and soft effect. You will have a beautiful natural orange flower, very suitable for decorating desserts, party tables, or taking artistic photos. Tip 2. Also simple and convenient. When guests come to the house, this way of cutting oranges is very easy, convenient, clean, and hygienic. First, cut off the top and bottom of the orange. Then, cut it in half into 2 equal parts. Each half is cut into 3 or 4 small pieces. After dividing, take a small piece and use a sharp knife to separate the peel and flesh of the orange. Do not cut it completely, leaving about 1 centimeter. Then, use a knife to make 2 cuts on the peel like this. Then fold the peel down and press it under the flesh. It will create a special shape, very beautiful. Then place it on a plate and arrange it as you like. You can also place the orange cut in the previous way in the middle. It will look much nicer and easier to eat. When eating, the peel is easily separated without leaking juice. Try it! Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Goodbye. See you in the next video.